Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning. This logger is an absolute beast. He gives off the energy of a true warrior. The way he takes down a 5-foot thick hemlock, pure skill and raw experience. The sights and sounds, just insane. You guys are gonna love this. This is where modern knights wield chainsaws instead of swords, facing off against towering timber like it's their destiny. It's Don Quixote reborn in steel, sweat, and sawdust. A pickup truck and a stubborn stump. It's like a backyard wrestling match with no referee. The chain strains, the tires scream, but the old stump just won't let go. This one's gonna be close. Who's your bet on? When a tree goes up in flames, it's not just falling, it's fueling a monster. That's why fire planes take it out fast, cutting off what keeps the fire alive. Control the fuel, control the blaze. This root removal shows exactly why careful planning and execution matter. Beneath the surface lies a world of unexpected tension and danger. It's a job for someone who knows what the hell they're doing. The power on this John Deere 1270G with H415 head is just outrageous. It's a monster in the woods. Efficient, brutal, unstoppable. But yeah, so is the price tag. $437,000 brand new. Luckily, used ones can be snagged for $175,000 to $245,000. Still a beast, half the hit. Pulling stumps with a military truck, that's overkill. And that's the point. One move, and the tree comes out like it never belonged. Brutal elegance.
Wow.
This is what power looks like. The TigerCat 2000 series shear locked into a 720E Feller buncher. In North Florida's toughest jobs, it delivers unmatched efficiency, minimal maintenance, and maximum savings. Built to conquer where others fail. You've got stumps that won't budge, no problem. This excavator shows up, grabs one, chomp. It's history. Not magic, just raw, unstoppable power. Alright, so this guy's putting in effort, sure, but it's a weird move and completely useless in the real world. Facing off with a massive redwood, no sweat. The Husqvarna 371 XP carves through it like it's nothing. This legend, now rebuilt for modern hands, boasts a 105-centimeter reach and razor-sharp PR precision. It's not just a tool, it's a legacy in motion. Eve and Holly aren't just any horses. They're muscle, grit, and grace rolled into one. Watching them haul a 2-ton truck in 34-degree weather like it's nothing, that's next-level horsepower. No joke, guys, safety is everything. There are moments when stepping back and calling in the pros is the smartest move. Still, not gonna lie, this one's going in the memory bank.
Oh shit.
You're not just working, you're cruising. Coffee in one hand, joystick in the other. The Han HFP 160 Pro is chewing through logs like nothing, turning them into firewood in seconds. Forget manual labor, forget the saw. This is next level logging. Down a tree with just a hand winch and a house a few feet away, that takes more than strength. It takes finesse. This classic method might look simple, but it gives you full control when space is tight and mistakes aren't an option. Think stump removal takes hours? Not with the UPR. It locks in, pulls clean, and makes the whole root pop out like it was never there. Hard work just got a whole lot smarter. When tough stumps stand in your way, the Vermeer SC1052 gets the job done. Fast. Armed with a 115 horsepower engine and Vermeer's latest cutting system, it turns heavy-duty clearing into a streamlined operation. More than a machine, it's a productivity powerhouse. No PPE, no excuse. This man's got no eye shield, no helmet, no protection at all, and somehow he's still standing. But luck runs out fast. Skipping safety is never worth the risk. Now, this is a sight to remember. A log truck packed to the brim, grinding its way through the harshest winter trail. Pure grit, raw power. It doesn't get better than this. Loving these machines? Hit that subscribe button now. We're always pushing the boundaries of technology and bringing you the most spectacular footage. Turn on notifications so you're the first to see our latest videos.